B. Maharashtra. C. Karnataka. Correct answer is C. Karnataka. Which is the cleanest city in India? A. Mumbai. B. Indore. C. Delhi. Correct answer is B. Indore. What is considered the most expensive substance in the world? A. Gold. B. Antimatter. C. Diamond. Correct answer is B. Antimatter. Which country implemented demonetization for the first time in history? A. India. B. USA. C. China. Correct answer is B. USA. Which Indian city is known as the Sun City? A. Jodhpur. B. Jaipur. C. Udaipur. Correct answer is A. Jodhpur. From which Indian state did the classical dance form Kathakali originate? A. Tamil Nadu. B. Kerala. C. Karnataka. Correct answer is B. Kerala. On average, how many years does a camel live? A. 20 to 30 years. B. 40 to 50 years. C. 60 to 70 years. Correct answer is A. 20 to 30 years. Which country is known as the land of the rising sun? A. India. B. Japan. C. China. Correct answer is B. Japan. What is the national emblem of India? A. Ashoka pillar. B. Tricolor. C. Wheel chakra. Correct answer is A. Ashoka pillar. Which creature never sleeps, only rests? A. Dolphin. B. Elephant. C. Crocodile. Correct answer is A. Dolphin. Which country was the first to launch internet service in the world? A. India. B. USA. C. England. Correct answer is B. USA. Which creature never sees its mother after birth? A. Turtle. B. Fish. C. Butterfly. Correct answer is A. Turtle. Which was the first country to send a human to the moon? A. Russia. B. India. C. USA. Correct answer is C. USA. Where is the elephant festival held every year in India? A. Karnataka. B. Jaipur. C. Assam. Correct answer is B. Jaipur. Which country used the internet for the first time? A. Japan. B. USA. C. France. Correct answer is B. USA. Which scientist invented the diesel engine? A. Rudolf Diesel. B. Thomas Edison. C. James Watt. Correct answer is A. Rudolf Diesel. Which tree is impossible for humans to climb? A. Bamboo, B. Coconut, C. Banana tree. Correct answer is C. Banana tree. In which Indian state is there a 10,000 rupees fine for having a third child? A. Assam, B. Kerala, C. Maharashtra. Correct answer is A. Assam. Which industry in India has the highest number of women workers? A. Education, B. Textile industry, C. Healthcare. Correct answer is B. Textile industry. Which planet is visible without a telescope? A. Saturn, B. Mars, C. Neptune. Correct answer is B. Mars.